Yeah, thank you so much, Pearl. Well, we have a mixed bag of weather for today. We take a look, first of all, at the northeastern parts of the country. Here we have already seen a lot of rainfall starting to develop, particularly around the high-felt areas here. Gauteng, Johannesburg, Pretoria, that whole area expecting widespread showers throughout most of the day. It should be primarily in the morning and midday, and then start to calm down a little bit later in the afternoon around 3 to 4 p.m. and onwards. A little bit less rainfall forecast after that. But as you can see, a lot of rainfall, very wet day all the way throughout the northeastern parts, as well as the eastern coastline. Isolated showers forecast for that coastal area. But from there on in, it's just partly cloudy, and it is going to be a dry day there. Now, we have a weather watch and a weather warning, both for heavy rainfall, which may lead to flash flooding in the central interior and the northern central regions of the country. So please be aware of that. And we also have a weather warning for you for today over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape, and that's for conditions which are highly conducive to the spread of veld fires. Now, let's take a look in a little bit more detail what's happening in your city today. Temperatures between 20 and 21 degrees forecast for maximums in Gauteng. As we said, it's going to be very mild for today. It's going to possibly feel a little bit cooler, especially if you're going to be in the rain or in the wind. But yes, lots and lots of precipitation forecast for Gauteng. Now, the Limpopo province is also getting a lot of rainfall for today. Depending on where you are, you might just see a very similar condition, widespread showers and thunder showers towards the southwest. But in the northeastern parts, not quite as much rainfall. Still getting the thunderstorms passing by. Much of this rainfall that we're seeing in the northeast taking the form of thunderstorms, so please be aware of that. Now, Mpumalanga gets temperatures rather warm in some places. Kokuza getting all the way up into the higher 20s. For the most part, the rest of the Mpumalanga province staying around the 20-degree mark, some a degree or two above and some below. Now, the KwaZulu-Natal province, this is where we start to see a little bit lighter rainfall. It's only isolated showers over the coastal areas here. Durban at 24 degrees, Port Shepstone 23. Interior temperatures not much warmer by a degree or two, roughly. And moving on down towards the Eastern Cape province, well, we continue to see a bit of rainfall. That's around Mthatha particularly, but Aliwal North also receiving just a little bit of rainfall. Other than that, we're not seeing much precipitation, if any at all. And we start to see slightly warmer conditions as well. Now, the Western Cape's interior is warm, 31 in Beaufort West, 26 Oudtshoorn, and 24 in Worcester along the coastlines. Not quite as warm, though. Temperatures along the coastlines around the 20-degree mark, most of which actually below that. The Northern Cape seeing some sunny skies over the western area, Springbok, Alvinia, Sutherland, but the rainfall coming in towards the northeast there, around Kuruman, around Kimberley, possibly even reaching up to Uppington. It's fantastic news for the area. We definitely need the rainfall here, so nobody's complaining about that. But nevertheless, stormy systems developing there. The Free State is cloudy all the way throughout the day. Now, make no mistake, it is very wet here in the Free State as well. Again, depending on where you are, you will see different amounts of rainfall there. Temperatures in general not too cold, around the 20-degree mark, some above. And the northwest, again, lots and lots of precipitation forecast. Rainfall, thunderstorms and showers coming into your area, with temperatures in general in the mid-20s. This is where we're going to leave your weather for now. Stay with us here on Morning Live.